All right, so here's an example problem for Avogadro's law. So there's our ratio of the initial volume of a gas divided by the initial moles of the gas is proportional to the final volume of the gas divided by the final number of moles of that gas. And this is number 4 from your practice. I'm going to use that as an example. When I'm doing a problem in chemistry, instead of filling in the variables first, I isolate the variables so that my rounding works out at the very end. And when you learn about sig figs, you'll learn why that is important. So I'm looking in this problem for V2. So in order to solve for that, I am going to multiply both sides of this equation here by the second number of moles of the gas. That subscript 2, remember, just represents the second number of moles of that gas that I've got. So that cancels out my N2. So my new equation is my initial volume times my second number of moles divided by my first number of moles is going to equal my second volume of gas. I'm going to plug some stuff in. 3.50 liters. I'm going to show you how those units cancel. So I'm going to carry down the units. My moles is 1.50 moles. My initial number of moles is 3.40 moles. I'm going to cancel out the moles here and leaving me with liters. So I know I have the right thing. So I'm going to take my off-screen 3.50 times 1.50 divided by 3.4. And you don't know what sig figs are yet, or maybe you do from 8th grade and just are still pretending you don't know what they are. I'm going to go to 3 sig figs here. You don't have to give me the correct number of sig figs today, but eventually you do. And the answer is going to be 1.54 liters or cubic decimeters. My double check is I almost halved or over halved the number of moles. So I should half-ish the volume of the gas, which I did. So with that, or a little bit over half, this is going to enable you to do the practice that is attached at the end of the Schoology page.